I'm going to be taking you through the one and only strategy that you will need to pass all your funded accounts. This specific strategy has over 92% win rate, okay? So make sure you are listening carefully because I do not usually drop stuff like this on YouTube. The amount of value in this video is unmatchable, okay? So make sure you're watching carefully. So let's just get straight into it. As you can see from right here, I have the checklist that can actually change your whole trading. So the pairs that it works on NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, and S&P 500. This is in order of what it works the best on to the worst on, okay? But I'm going to be using it on Euro USD, but you can use it on any of these. Make sure you're trading within the 7 to 11 London kill zone on a 5-minute time frame. So I'm going to be just marking this out right now. And it is very, very easy if you just replicate and follow exactly what I do, okay? So you're on the 7 to 11 kill zone. Now, you need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions, buy side or sell side liquidity. Then you look for the reversal opportunities, okay? Now, I need to see if Asian sessions highs, which is right here, or the lows actually get swept. And whichever side gets swept, we're going to be aiming to take the trade towards the opposite side. As you can see, if I play price forward, the highs get swept right here, okay? Which means now I'm going to be looking for a sell. As you can see from here, we need to find a market structure shift with the displacement and execute on the fair value gap, okay? So now what I'm looking for is a market structure shift towards the downside. And where's the lowest low I can see is right here. So once this actually gets swept, this will be the market structure shift, which is right here. And I can actually also look for the displacement. As you can see, it just created another fractional low right here. So we can move this up to all the way here, okay? And this could be here too. Once that gets swept, as you can see, that's a market structure shift right there. Right. So you might be asking, oh, is this really displacement because it didn't get taken out by a strong FVG? As you can see, the decision candles, we do not actually use these, okay? The indecision candles are not valid because what are they called? Indecision, okay? The market just throwing a random confluence at you just to try to trip you up. But we're not going to be using this. We're going to be just going straight to this candle right here, which is going to be used as the third candle of the FVG. So now once we're here, we have the market structure shift, we have the displacement, and now we have to execute on a fair value gap. So where's the FVG right here? Is this big candle. So I'm going to just be marking this out. You can see from here to here. We can easily extend this. And now I'm going to be putting in my sell position right on the line, okay? My stop loss will be above the first candle of the FVG, somewhere around here, okay? And my take profit at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. I won't just be aiming for these Asian lows. I'll be at least aiming for a 1 to 3, okay? Which is somewhere around here. All right. So this is the easiest model that you can use to trade, okay? I'm going to be playing this forward and you're going to see exactly how it goes. You can see from here, it goes back down and it taps into actual area. And if I just lower the speed down a little bit, you can see that it actually starts going to the downside. Let me just, and there we go. It just smashed TP, okay? Look how far down it smashed TP. Usual people just put it, oh, let me just put it at the Asian sessions lows. But that's actually where they actually go wrong because they don't know that price goes way, way deeper than that. I'm going to be showing you another example. But just before that, let me take you through the Discord server that we actually use. We have so much testimonials of this actually working, okay? So much of my students have been getting results within this, okay? So make sure you actually take a look at this and join, okay? So much of my students been getting results. Look at the silver bullet trades that Mr. Unique has been pulling off recently. It's been amazing, okay? I've been teaching these people exactly how to trade. Look at these exact trades that these students have been taking. All right, you can see that it works. All this can be accessed if you join my Traders mentorship. It's on a limited time offer. It's 30-day free trial. I'm going to be ending this on the 30th of this month, okay? So make sure you join quickly. I'll be teaching you the hybrid system of how to trade. Okay, there's 2 secret strategies. I'll be teaching a silver bullet and a SMC strategy. Okay, you get access to all my setups, and I'll teach you the real version of ICT and how to actually trade it. Plus, I have 10 hours of premium pre-recorded content. As you can see here, they're all in SMC education, ICT, risk, bias, and mindset. The mindset one is coming soon this week, but yeah, just make sure you actually take a good look at this. Anyway, let's get back to the charts. Right, so I'm gonna be showing you this different example, okay, and you're gonna understand this so well that your parents are gonna be asking how you getting this money and where you getting this from. Also, I have a PDF of this exact strategy that I'm gonna link in the description, which is gonna be completely free. So don't worry, you won't have to buy anything, okay? The strategy is gonna be completely free. So make sure you actually go down to the link in the description and get it. It's gonna be full detailed guide of how to actually use this in depth, okay? But we're gonna just do the exact same thing we did earlier. Trade within the 7 to 11 London kill zone. So we mark that out really quickly. Once you actually start spotting this strategy so early, it will become so easy for you to make in so much profits, okay? And now we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity. So we have the sell side liquidity right here. We have the buy side right here, okay? We even have a double top here, so it just makes it even more valid if it goes towards the upside. All right. Now we need to see which side it sweeps, and there you go. It just swept the highs. Now we're going to be looking for market structure shift with a displacement, and we execute on the fair value gap. So there we go. So now I'm going to be looking for that market structure shift. And as you can see, it just swept these lows right here. The price just swept this fractional low. We can count this as a market structure shift. And where can we see a displacement? Is right here. Okay. We can see a fair value gap right here, sorry. Extend this and we put a sell position. Put up stop loss at the first candle of the FVG right here above the first candle, and our TP will be a 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at this strategy, guys. It's so easy. I don't know how anyone can't use this or actually listen carefully. 99% of you will actually not use this, but it makes me so much profits. Okay, and now if I play price forward, you can see it goes in and it just smashes take profit straight away. Okay, for these guys that are saying the strategy don't work, go back test it yourself and you'll see exactly the win rate on it. Okay, you can see right here, it just entered and then it smashed TP. It's always smash and take profit. Okay, make sure you actually use this. By the way, the PDF of the detailed guide on how to use this is in the description, so make sure you check that out. Also, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.